Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT X31. This is the X31 off-road package, off-road suspension, shoot speed, auto track transfer case, hill descent control, skid plates, heavy-duty air filter, integrated dual exhaust all-terrain tires, and an X31 badge. This is also the SLT Premium Plus package for a total price of, on the dot, $60,000. No change, it's $60,000.00. It's pretty cool as a window sticker. First time I've ever seen it on the dot. This is your 6-way adjustable tailgate. You go boom. Set up. And then you're in the back of the truck. To come down, hold on to the railing. Step. Step. Done. Oh, I'm an idiot. I forgot. Have to do this. Put that away. There. Beautiful light colored interior. Slate is the seat color over dark walnut. All right, let's go for a drive. Auto start stop. This one's powered by the 5.3. You can get a 6.2. The 5.3 is mated to the 10-speed automatic. Love the 10-speed. Probably my favorite transmission, well, except for PDK, but favorite transmission GM produces is the 10-speed. It's just that good. The way these trucks drive now is just absolutely wonderful. It's almost like luxury SUV. It's really impressive. Can't really hear the off-road tires. Got ventilated seats. What is there not to love? Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.